Tired of feeling like you're drowning in a sea of tasks across all your projects? Let's get you organized. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Todos in Basecamp to manage all your projects like a pro. First, navigate to the project you want to work on, then click on the Todos section. You'll see an option to create a new to-do list. Think of lists as categories for your tasks like website design or marketing campaign. Give your list a clear and descriptive name so you and your team know exactly what it's about. You can also add a description for more context. Now, let's add some actual tasks. Click Add a to-do and type in the specific action that needs to be done. Here's the important part: assign the task to a team member. Set a realistic due date, and add any relevant notes or details in the description box. The more information, the better. Repeat these steps to create all the necessary to-do lists and tasks for your project. As team members complete tasks, they can mark them as done, allowing everyone to track progress at a glance. And that's it. You now have a system for organizing, assigning, and tracking tasks within Basecamp. This simple structure can drastically improve your project management and keep everyone on the same page. So ditch the chaos and embrace organized project management with Basecamp's to-do lists. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.